In a land where music was the heartbeat, there lived a peculiar bird called the lyrebird. Unlike others, the lyrebird was not known for its melodious tune or vibrant plumage. It was renowned for its uncanny ability to mimic the sounds of the forest. One day, the lyrebird found itself in a predicament. A hunter had set a trap, and the lyrebird, unaware, stumbled upon it. The lyrebird was trapped, and its life hung in the balance. The forest creatures gathered, each offering a solution. The owl suggested using its wisdom to outsmart the hunter, the fox proposed trickery, while the rabbit urged the lyrebird to sing a beautiful melody to charm the hunter. The lyrebird pondered each suggestion, but none felt right. It was not in the lyrebird's nature to outwit or charm. The lyrebird was a mimic, a mirror of the sounds around. In a moment of clarity, the lyrebird decided. It would mimic the hunter's voice, calling out, "Friend! Friend! I am one of you." The hunter, hearing his own voice, was confused and let go the lyrebird. The forest erupted in cheers, but the lyrebird felt awed. It had saved itself, but at the cost of its identity. The lyrebird flew away, questioning its role in the forest. In time, the lyrebird returned, not as a mimic, but as a creator. It began to compose its own songs, expressing the heartbeat of the forest in its unique, beautiful way. The forest echoed with the lyrebird's melody, a testament to finding one's true self. The moral of the story is clear. It is essential to find one's own voice and not lose it in the pursuit of what others deem fitting. The lyrebird taught us that it is in our uniqueness that we truly shine.